Hello students, I have come across an advertisement dated 16th August issued by the National Institute of Technology, Warangal. It is in Telangana state and it has a lot of posts which have been advertised. So the date of publication is 16th August, opening of online application portal is 23rd August 2021 and closing of online application portal is 23rd September 2021, as you can read on the screen. So we will see the details of the posts which have been advertised. As you can see, there are 11 types of posts which have been advertised, and the one we are talking about is of junior assistant. It is at serial number 11. It is in group C and the pay level is 3 and the number of posts are 19. Normally we have seen that junior secretariat assistants, they are in level 2, but in this they are in pay level 3. So we will see further details. Now let us see the details of junior assistant. Post code is mentioned there. Emoluments are 21,700 in level 3 of the pay matrix plus DA plus allowances and admissible for central government employees posted in Warangal urban district. Vacancies are 19 in total and UR out of those are 9, OBC 4, SC 3, ST 1, EWS 1 and PWD 1. The post is also identified for ex-servicemen and persons with benchmark disability. Then the method of recruitment is initially on contract for 2 years. Age limit is not exceeding 27 years. Essential educational qualifications are senior secondary 10+2 from a government recognized board with a minimum typing speed of 35 words per minute and proficiency in computer, word processing and spreadsheet. Desirable qualification in this case is bachelor's degree in any discipline and proficiency in other computer skills, stenography skills. Then comes preferable experience. They have mentioned preferable experience also if somebody is having that. Then let us see the method of selection. The process of selection involves 2 stages, viz. Level 1, objective written test, and level 2, descriptive written test. Level 1 and level 2 will be conducted in a single session as section A and B. The test will be of 3 hours duration. Response or answer sheets of the level 2 will be evaluated only of those candidates who qualify in level 1. Now, level 1 section A, objective preliminary test. The format of the preliminary test shall be as under. Examination comprising 50 multiple choice questions of 1 hour's duration in general English, general science, general knowledge, general intelligence and reasoning and quantitative aptitude, which is arithmetic. And then number 2 is 2 marks will be awarded for each correct answer and 0.5 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Level 1 will be only qualifying exam screening tests to shortlist candidates for level 2 main test. Level 2 section B, descriptive written test. The test will be of 2 hours duration, consists of 2 parts, part A, part B. Part A will be English language comprising of essay writing, comprehension, précis and English grammar, and part B, noting and drafting on Government of India rules for ministerial administrative jobs for quantitative aptitude and quantitative aptitude. A merit list will be prepared based on scores obtained in level 2 for the purpose of empanelment. In the event of tie, following criteria shall be adopted in sequence for deciding position in merit. This is what is normally laid down. You can go through. These are general instructions and these are with regard to relaxation in upper age limit for various categories. People who are required to get relaxation can go through these instructions. Next is application fee. Non-refundable application fee of rupees 1000 for UR/OBC candidates for the post of Senior Medical Officer and Assistant Registrar posts. In case of all other posts at serial number 3 to 11 above, the fee will be rupees 500 to be paid online. So since ours is serial number 11, it will be 500 only. Next is no fee will be charged for SC, ST, PWD, EWS, women candidates and candidates presently working at NIT Warangal on daily rated or outsourcing basis. Then there are other conditions also. You can please go through it. Lastly, it is how to apply online. It says facility for submission of online application will be available from 23rd August to 23rd September 2021 on their website. Next is applications will be accepted only through online mode. Only one application should be submitted for one post. Next is candidate should read the instructions in the advertisement and online application form carefully before making any entry or selecting any option. So all the candidates who are eligible and are interested to apply, they must go through the advertisement carefully and all the instructions which are given in this regard. I'm giving a link in the description and you can see the detailed advertisement at that link. That's all. Thank you.